Welcome back. It's the 4th of July and it's time to rack off our peach wine to get it off the pulp. So here's that batch we started back in June. It's not been bubbling very much anymore, so I think we're just about done fermenting. So we're going to open it on up and start transferring it into our glass carboy here. Woo-wee, that smell good. Now, I'm not going to stir this up right now because everything's had a chance to settle really good overnight. I'm just going to use my auto siphon here and start siphoning down. Let's get this started. Maybe I can do a nice little time lapse for y'all of this filling up. Alright folks, we've siphoned just about all out of this bucket we can for now. So we're going to have to squeeze out this bag of pulp to get the rest of it just the best we can. Alright, I think that's about all I'm going to be able to squeeze out of that. So okay, we have a pretty good bit here, and our glass carboy is actually almost full, so I think we're going to be just about to the top with it. Just going to finish pumping this out. Be right back. Alright, that's what we ended up with in the carboy. I can top this up with some more water, but since I have another batch, I'm going to go ahead and top it up with some more of the peach wine I got going in the other bucket fermenting. I'm going to take another specific gravity reading. I'm going to transfer my measurement from the lid of the bucket I wrote down when we first made this, and I'm going to write down my current gravity reading so I can calculate the current alcohol content and see where we're at. I know it doesn't look that pleasant right now, but ooh, it does smell good. And whew, you can smell the alcohol. So I think we're up there pretty high. All right, welcome back. I've taken a sample with my wine thief, and let's see if you can see it here. But our new specific gravity is pretty close to that 0.99. We're just about right on the line. So I went ahead and did the calculation, and I have here on the paper what our starting gravity was and our gravity here at the first racking, and that puts us at 21% alcohol by volume. So we are good for our alcohol content. So I'm going to go ahead and add another 6 Campden tablets to this, put the airlock back on, and put this in a cool, dark place, and we're going to wait for it to settle down some, and then we'll rack it off again, and we'll probably do that 2 or 3 more times until this gets completely clear. I did want to show you what's left of the pulp out of that big old bucket. This is it. We have, I don't know, probably about 1.5 gallons of pulp left. So that's all there is to that. We managed to extract quite a bit of juice. Now, depending on how this tastes, once it clears up, I may thin it down with some more distilled water when I back sweeten it. just to get rid of some of that alcohol bite, because 21% is a lot for a dessert wine. But I'm going to get to adding the Campden tablets. You saw that the last time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in for the next racking and the final stages where we bottle this.